Right guys, so this video, right, I'm dedicating this particular vlog to Graeme, right? So Graeme works on security down here at Elland Road. He's down at the press office, press entrance on the west stand, and he's been working as a steward, security, whatever you want to call it, down here at Elland Road for years and years and years. Unfortunately, Graeme's been unwell recently, and he's currently in hospital, and next week he's having a triple heart bypass operation undertaken, so he's going to be out of action for quite some time. But I want us all to wish him well, so all Leeds fans, wish Graeme well. Drop a comment of support down below, let him know you're thinking of him, and that way then hopefully it'll help him speed up his recovery. But it's not the same without Graeme down here at press office there, but it is always nice to see him. He's always got a smile, a friendly face for people, and always very helpful, and he's been part of woodwork for so long, so I'm sure he'll get well really quick. But here you are, Graeme, we're all thinking about you, mate, marching on together. Don't forget guys, drop that comments down below.
He's from Yorkshire, that knows, that knows. Glory, glory, Leeds United. Glory, glory, Leeds United. Glory, glory, Leeds United. They're the greatest football team in all the land.
Now then folks, how we doing? Welcome along to my little channel, Riggers Ramblings. So, what a week. So we stuffed Chelsea on Wednesday night. Today we've got Liverpool, 5:30 kickoff. Down at the ground, it's another wet day. But has Daniel Farke done enough to redeem himself? I think he has so far. He's made some changes, it's been quite positive. It's been quite good, but now we've got the Scousers. Stick with us folks, because what I'm going to do today, I'm going to try and get in amongst the Scousers and get some score predictions off them, see what they're feeling like. So I know that they're licking the wounds a little bit. Get some score predictions off of some Leeds fans as well, and keep positive as well, because I think my positive energy helped on Wednesday night, or I like to think so at least anyway. But don't forget folks, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and really appreciate it. It helps my little channel grow. And without further ado, we'll go for a little walk around stadium. Now, just some people say about subscribing, right? So subscribing, it's an interesting one. It's like, it doesn't cost you a single penny, and subscribing is exactly the same as liking a page on Facebook. It's just YouTube's way of getting people to follow a particular channel, and that's all it is. So like I say, it really helps. My little channel's growing quite well. It's nearly at 2,000 subscribers now, which is absolutely amazing to say that I started it off as a bit of fun, really, and just to create a log so my grandchildren, when they have grandchildren, have got something to look back on. Some of the travel stuff I put on don't do too well, but this Leeds United stuff seems to do pretty well, which I'm always very appreciative of. But yeah, if you're a Leeds fan and you like football and you like a little bit of fun, see people's predictions, then give us a like and give us a subscribe. It really helps. So let's have a look outside Centenary Square, see what's going on out here today. Wednesday night they had the trials back out here, so you couldn't get anywhere near it. Actually, I meant to point out this guy over here for you before. The Great British Burgers there, just at back at Family Stand, the corner with Cop. He munching on together. Does really good burgers, does that guy, on match days. He's a local lad, local business, pays a lot of money for his rent. So if you're down at the match, give him a try. We've got Centenary Square. Still a little bit quiet, 2 hours to kick off, so I am actually early today. I'll show you the The Centenary Square, if you've never been down before, this goes right up to 100 years of Leeds United. You've got all the honours and every single player going up to 2019. Every single player that's played for Leeds, all the trophies and awards, going right back to 1919 when the club started. So that's worth a look at. If you come down to Elland Road, it's definitely worth a look at. There's some sort of band going on at the moment. But we'll go see Don Revy before we have a look over there and see what's going on over there. You've got your Revy statue. Little floral tribute around it, and as usual give you the shot from behind. Big Don looking over. It looks like we've got some sort of band going on outside reception down here. So they've just been doing I Predict a Riot. Looking at some of the people walking around today, I think I predict a diet, especially over coming weeks anyway. At Christmas period, everybody eating too much. But they're back on again. We'll give you a little bit more of a taste. Let's have a look. Something a little bit different for you there. What do you think to that? If it's your cup of tea, four lads seem to be having a bit of fun. Well, let's see, let's continue. Keeps threatening to rain, you keep getting a little bit of that drizzle coming down. Don't forget guys, over here, right, on match days, Leeds Food Bank. Bring your donations down to them guys there. Every single home game, they're down here giving away, collecting your donations and giving out to worthy causes throughout the city. Especially at this time of year, with it being Christmas, it really will help people a lot. And you've got another food van just outside Billy's statue. This tribute still looking rather well. Quite a lot, same as the other night, a lot of tributes still here. And you've got Billy, King Billy. Take a screen grab if you wish. Perfect screensaver for your phones or your iPads. The tributes going round there. Right, let's have a look and see what we see. Try and grab a few fans, get some score predictions from them. Right guys, so I'm with Martin, and The other night, he did laugh at me when I predicted that Leeds would win. I'm just going to get that in there. But he's going to give us a prediction for tonight. Come on then, Martin.
In a very rash moment, I'm going to go 1-1.
1-1. You're going for a draw, are you?
Going for a draw tonight.
Okay. All right then. Come on, Tim. Here we
the
are.
reason everyone laughed, Rigger, is that's our default position when it comes to.
Yeah.
I rarely disagree with Martin, and tonight's the same. 1-1, and
1-1.
I'll bite your hand off of it. And 4 points out of those 9 is a result.
Well, absolutely.
And even 3 is not bad.
So you think a 1-1 draw? Another 1-1 draw? Oh, come on, buddy. Let's have you in. Right, come on then.
Positive tonight.
Positive. Come on then.
Liverpool there for taking.
Liverpool for taking. Yes.
And we're going to win 2-1.
2-1. Right. 2-1. I said 3-1, and I'll get that on camera now, and then we'll make sure it's right. Okay. Thanks, guys. Right. Let's see if we get in. All right. Should be okay. Shouldn't be a problem.
Home fans, left hand side.
So we'll see. We'll get in. No problem. And here we are. We're in. So that's quite good. We managed to get in and stand underneath here for a bit. Yeah, a bit dry. Let's have a look. Stuart Scousers braving the outdoor bar. Right guys, I found a few Liverpool fans here tonight and they're going to give us some score predictions. So what's your name, mate?
Douglas.
Douglas. Douglas and Mansour, right. So okay then. So come on then, Douglas, you first. What's your score prediction for tonight?
Yeah, I think so. 2-0 for Liverpool.
2-0 Liverpool. And what yourself?
3-0.
2-0 as well? Oh, they do everything together, these Liverpool fans. I think it's 2-0. Joe, you think it's about time you're turning your fortunes round here?
Yeah.
Is Arne Slot the manager for you? Is he? You need to stick with him?
We need to be for last game a goal, but now I think it's...
Yeah, you think right. So you're predicting 2-0?
Yeah.
All right, well,
okay.
Good luck to you lads, let's see. All Liverpool fans getting absolutely soaked out here tonight. Right, I'm going to make my way in. So just to let you know guys, right, don't forget, right, we've only got a couple tonight because it really is absolutely chucking it down. But don't forget, hit that thumbs up, give us a subscribe, helps my little channel grow. Don't forget, drop your comments below to wish Graeme well. That's what this video is all about today. And just also to let you know, I'm not going to be doing a match walkout on this video. If you want to see the players coming out and the crowd singing, marching on together, that's going to be a separate video from this because YouTube copyright likes to say I'm infringing copyright by showing the crowd singing, marching on together, which is ridiculous because it's some company in Brazil that tries staking a claim on my video. So the only way around for me to be able to solve that now is to do a separate video for you all so you can see it separately. So the first video will be walk round, interview with fans, etc, see what's going on, and then I'll post another video shortly afterwards with players coming out onto the pitch and everybody singing, marching on together. So if you just watched this one, thanks for that guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Leeds United, number 9.